topping.
This. I don't. Mommy. Oh, it says that. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Okay.
First time trying Checkers or Rallies. Apparently Rallies has the best fries in the fast food game. These do look really good. The texture is phenomenal. It just kind of tastes like they haven't changed the oil in days. And I got their double cheeseburger. The bun and the cheese are both really good. The beef is horrible. No. And lastly, I got their spicy chicken sandwich. It smells really weird. First off, the chicken feels and looks like a brown Frisbee. It's paper thin. Again, no. Probably some of the worst fast food I've ever had. I would give this a 3.3 out of 10. Seriously.
I saw Checkers on Uber Eats, and I usually don't get Checkers, but I saw it and figured I'd do a video on it. So here we are. How you doing? If you guys never been to Checkers or Raley's, I'm pretty sure they have the same items, but this is the Baconzilla, and I've had it before. It's fire. That bacon on here is so nice. And those patties are so juicy and full of flavor. Checkers really doesn't get its flowers. Let's try the tendy with some honey mustard. I'm pretty sure there's only salt and pepper up on these tenders, but it's seasoned well. All right, now let's try their chili cheese fries. They weren't skimping with the chili, bro. This is a lot of chili. Look at that, bro. That's what chili cheese fries should look like. I'm saying Checkers chili clears Wendy's for sure, bro. It's just better. Those chili cheese fries are hitting, bro. Now this is where we have some fun. I can never just eat food as is. It's always got to be something special. There we go. The chili cheese fries baconzilla. Can you spell diabetes? That is gas. And honestly, this is one of the messiest burgers. Oh, jeez. One of the messiest burgers I've had, but it's probably one of the best. At least fast food. You know, I always forget how, like, truly good honey mustard on a tender is. It's probably my favorite dip on a tender. There was a little piece of bacon in there, bro. That was good. Checkers is valid.
We're back, and today we're trying Checkers Rallies for the first time. I'm very excited that I found a Checkers here in Miami. First, we're gonna try their barbecue bacon Buford. I don't know who the hell Buford is, but all I know is that this sandwich is quite smushed. I do taste the barbecue indeed. It's double the meat, and that bacon is very crunchy. But something about it, it's not sitting right with me. It has this odd taste that I'm just not used to. Maybe that's how they do it out here on the East Coast. It seems like it is a rushed burger. I'd say this burger is a solid 6 out of 10. Next, we have an order of their loaded fries. Oh, look at that. That looks bodacious. It's giving chili cheese style without the chili cheese. Very greasy and oily, but the fries are crunchy still. I feel like Checkers would definitely hit when it's midnight. Look at that madness and badness. I do like how they cook their fries. It is very crunchy and mushy on the inside with a lot of flavor on the actual fry. Why is Checkers cheese like that, man? Why does Checkers cheese taste so odd? I have to go a 6 out of 10 again. To wash it down, we have their chocolate milkshake. Oh, that's super refreshing. I'm giving this some serious top. Oh my goodness gracious. I'll make love to this one right here. And to finish me off, we have their crispy chicken tenders. First, we're gonna try Checkers barbecue sauce. Chicken's very crunchy, juicy on the inside. It is a pretty small chicken tender, and I must say, I'm not a big fan of their barbecue sauce. Bro, their barbecue sauce is just not hitting right. Okay, I'm just gonna try their honey mustard. I do taste the zestiness of the mustard. The chicken tenders itself are a 10 out of 10. The sauces, on the other hand, are pretty much adequate. Checkers, man, you guys need to step it up, man.
Checkers and Rallies for the first time. This was $3.99 and it came with fries, chicken, I got a side of ranch, and then I also got the new barbecue brisket melt. You can tell a lot of places by their ranch. Let's try a nugget dipped in ranch. That's good ranch. Fries remind me of the Popeyes batter, so let's try the fries with the ranch. Not bad. It's a fry. I think it's a good deal for $3.99, but I wouldn't really order it again. I definitely prefer other fast food nuggets. Next up is the barbecue brisket sandwich. Brandon already took some bites. My turn to try. This one isn't my cup of tea. I like the bread on it, but I'm not a huge fan of the barbecue or the brisket. This one I give like a 2 out of 10.
always get Checkers when I don't know what to eat. Barbecue bacon Buford with fries on it, mozzarella sticks with their famous fries. Have a bite. Honestly, fuck the cheese pull. Goddamn, she thick. It's been a while since I had Checkers. Their burgers are so underrated. Checkers and Popeyes got the best fries in the game. Oh, I love my extra sauce. I just don't know what to say right now. Yes, I do eat all these fries.
Trying Checkers for the first time.
Immediately starting with their fries.
Not bad, but I don't see the hype. It's like regular seasoned fries, honey massage.
Ranch.
With some sauce, bro. Never mind.
To me, they taste like Arby's curly fries. Give them a 5 out of 10.
5? I give him a 7, y'all. I'm rocking with y'all.
Big Buford.
Baconzilla.
Hey, this tomato off. I don't want them tomatoes.
The meat look a little dry. Whatever. Pause.
Bun sweet. That was banging, y'all. Let's
That
try it
ain't
with some
bad
ranch.
at all.
I think what really elevates the burger is the sweet bun.
Yeah, y'all just like sugar. Y'all don't even know y'all addicted to it. The Wendy's Baconator or this, though. 7 out of 10.
Big Buford's is a 7.8 out of 10.
Big who? Chicken nuggets and fry box. Why do these nuggets look white?
And I got the chili dog.
Look ashy, Jazz. No. Dry, ashy, 4 out of 10.
Hot dog got mustard on it. I give this little hot dog a 9 out of 10.
Barbecues. It still don't help it. It still don't elevate. These nuggets would have me sick, bro.
Why you still eating
I
them?
don't know.
Let's wash it down with the new Nerds layered slushy.
I got the Nana Shake. Oh, it tastes like a damn Jello pack Nana pudding. Chili, okay, are you okay?
This thing's banging. 10
nice
out
Nana
of 10.
flavor.
10
I'ma give
out
it a
of 10. That's so good. My scarf came off.
You just took it off. Like when
They didn't have the mini apple pies, but they got regular apple pies.
y'all said these better than Popeyes. We finna find out. I see why y'all having to increase y'all shirt sizes.
Intrusive thoughts.
Brother. Cinnamony, appley. 10 out of 10. Are they better than Popeyes? I think they're about the same, brother.
Let's try these
Crime.
funnel cake fries.
Which we have no kind of syrups for. I feel like I'm at the fair while digesting these, but the fair would have had some damn syrups, some caramels.
They don't even eat sauces though.
We both give it.
7.5 out of 10.
Checkers is very mid at best.
Checkers got the best desserts though.